This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Kevin McGilton. Outstanding Victorian 2.5-story in superb condition. Large foyer. Family room, hardwood floors, crown moldings. Pocket doors. Oak kitchen. Second floor laundry room with built-ins. Newer baths in first and second floors. Finished half-story has many uses. Large sun-room off bedroom. You will love the wrap-around porch and large rear deck plus above-ground pool. Vinyl fencing and detached garage. See highlight sheet. You will be proud to call this one home. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin McGilton at 304-242-9601.